Welcome to the BoldMan channel. Today, we're diving into a question that shapes careers, relationships, and even our everyday choices. What does it really mean to be bold in today's world? Boldness isn't just about being loud or fearless, it's about making decisions that push you forward when others would hold back. Being bold today doesn't mean you never feel fear. It means you feel it and still move forward. Boldness is starting that business even when people doubt you. Boldness is speaking your truth when silence feels safer. Boldness is taking risks in love, career, and life, knowing growth only comes outside your comfort zone. In a world full of noise, distractions, and opinions, boldness is having the courage to stand firm in who you are and what you believe in. Think about it. The bold student raises their hand in class with an idea everyone else thinks is crazy. The bold professional leaves a stable job to chase their true passion. The bold leader makes tough decisions that don't please everyone but move the team forward. These are the people who shape the future, because they're not afraid to fail while others sit and wait. So, being bold in today's world means choosing action over hesitation, courage over comfort, and purpose over fear. And that's what this channel, the BoldMan, is all about. Helping you unlock that fearless part of yourself to live, work, and lead boldly. If that speaks to you, hit subscribe, drop a comment on what being bold means to you, and join me on this journey of bold living. Because the world doesn't remember the ones who played it safe. It remembers the bold.